We meet again in Science for Year 4, Unit 7, Energy. Okay, in this chapter, you will learn number 1, meaning of energy and sources of energy. There are 8 sources of energy. Sources of energy can be classified into renewable and non-renewable energy sources. Number 2, you will also learn forms of energy. Ya, bentuk-bentuk tenaga. There are 9 forms of energy. Energy cannot be created and destroyed. What is energy? Energy is ability to do work. So, to carry out lot of works, we need lot of energy too. Okay, you can refer your textbook, page 124 to 125. There are sources of energy. As you can see here, this is the sun. Sun is the main source of energy. Why? Sun considered as main source of energy. If you remember, you had learned in topic lights, science year 2, suns will always shine for the whole day, for the whole year, until at the end of the world. Walaupun pada waktu malam, actually the sun still shine and can be seen at other country. Next, water. Biomass. Biomass can be derived from natural waste such as plants or animal feces. Kalau ada bahan-bahan buangan daripada tumbuhan, najis haiwan, so ini akan menjadi sumber tenaga biomass. Wind. For certain countries such as Netherlands, they use wind to rotate windmill to generate electricity. Fossil fuel, for example, petroleum, natural gas, coal are burned in the power plant to generate electricity. Waves, the big waves, the moving waves can also help to rotate turbine in the ocean and finally generate electricity. Nuclear substance will be decomposite such as uranium to generate electricity. Geothermal. Okay, what is geothermal? Geothermal is a heat of the hot rock beneath the earth's surface. So total there are 8 sources of energy. Sources ya, sumber tenaga. Okay, so as I mentioned earlier, energy sources can be classified into 2 groups or 2 categories that are renewable energy sources. What is renewable? Renewable means energy sources that can be generated continuously. Boleh dijana secara berterusan. However, non-renewable energy sources is energy sources that are limited, terhad, sumber yang boleh habis digunakan. Okay, let's look what is the energy sources that can be renewable. There are solar or sun, as I mentioned earlier, as a main source of energy, sentiasa bersinar ya matahari. The wave, ombak, sentiasa ada. Water, every year, every day the water always available. The wind, biomass, geothermal. Okay, these are the energy sources that available continuously. Sentiasa ada. However, okay, this one, energy sources that are limited such as fossil fuel. What is the energy sources from fossil fuel? For example, coal, batu arang. Bukan batu karang ya. Arang batu. Sorry, arang batu. Petroleum, natural gas. And another one is nuclear. Okay, nuclear substance, bahan nuklear. Kerana bahan nuklear ni dia ada dalam bumi. Okay, you have to mine and get it. So, if you use it, uh, if you not use it wisely, these sources will depleted, akan habis. Okay, next, forms of energy. Okay, bentuk-bentuk tenaga. Okay, as you can see here, this is one of I-think map, peta I-think. This is a circle map. Okay, you draw a small circle at the middle to write the title. Okay, circle map is used to listing down. Okay, so at the corner is the sources of your information. For example, from internet, from textbooks, from your friend, and from your teacher. Okay, number one, solar. Solar from sun. What next? Nuclear energy from, of course, from nuclear substance. Kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is energy in the object that moving object. For example, uh, apple dropping from the tree. Okay, when the apple falling down from the tree, it's possessing kinetic energy. Potential energy. What is potential energy? Potential energy is an energy that hold by object at higher place. Okay, for example, you are going to jump from the higher place. Okay, when you are at the high place, you has the potential energy. Chemical energy. Chemical energy in the chemical substance in food, in our body. Okay, electrical energy is an electric appliance. Sound energy. When object produce sounds, means it has sound energy. Light energy, heat energy, tenaga haba. Okay, this is example of the forms of energy around us. Okay, first look at the nuclear energy in the nuclear substance. It also will produce light energy. Okay, for the bulb that lighting up, of course, has light energy. Okay, in the dry cell, actually containing chemical energy and also will produce electric energy. Okay, when the bell ringing, it produce sound energy. Look at this in this flask. In this flask is a chemical solution, so it's contain chemical energy. In the fire, contain heat energy. As the apple falling down, it has kinetic energy. When the apple at the high place, okay, at the high point on top of the tree, it have a potential energy. Okay, look at some house that having a solar panel. I believe you had learned in RBT. Solar panel having solar energy. Okay, deriving from the sun. Remember, as I explained in the previous topic sound. Sound is a type of energy. Sound is a form of energy. Okay, look at this. The old man. His name is Albert Einstein. Okay, Albert Einstein mentioned, or Albert Einstein discover one thing, that is energy cannot be created or destroyed. Tenaga tidak boleh dicipta atau dimusnahkan. It can only be changed from one form to another form. Dia hanya boleh diubah bentuknya dari satu bentuk kepada bentuk lain. Okay, what does it mean? Okay, look here. energy can be changed from one form to another. Okay, this we call transformation of energy. Okay, tadi awak dah belajar bentuk-bentuk tenaga, the forms of energy, right? Means energy can transform. For example, okay, look here. For example, in this dry cell, it's containing chemical energy. This chemical energy can change to light energy. Mana nak nampak light energy? Of course, from the torchlight. Next, look at the food and drinks. The food and drinks containing chemical energy. Okay, this chemical energy will use up by a man and the man cycling. So, when he's cycling, actually he producing kinetic energy. Electrical energy can be transformed into heat energy in the oven. Fuel also chemical energy. When it fill in the car tank, the car will move. So the car will producing kinetic energy. Okay, and there are many other situations in our daily life that indicating transformation of energy. Actually, we will go further for the transformation of energy in the next chapter. See you then.